This is how to transfer crypto to someone here on Ndax. Once you guys have Ndax open, in the bottom left, the second option that says wallet, select that. Then where it says add funds, beside that, there's the circle with three little dots. Press that button. And then where it says withdraw, send crypto or cash to another user, select that option. Once you're on this page right here, you can then choose the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So let's just say, for example, you have Litecoin and you want to send Litecoin to someone. You can then select Litecoin. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and type in how much Litecoin you want to send to someone. So for example, if you wanted to send one Litecoin, you can type in 1. It'll then show you how much Canadian dollars that's equivalent to. You can then type in the Litecoin address that you want to send it to. So go ahead, press the address, type it into someone right there. Then it'll show you the network, and then if all looks good and you want to proceed, press on where it says confirm right in the middle. So once again, if you wanted to select Bitcoin, you can then select Bitcoin. You can go ahead and press the three dots right here. You can withdraw, select Bitcoin, select the network, and then you can do the exact same thing with Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you want to send to someone. So that is how to transfer crypto to someone here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.